In this video, you will learn how to create and embed a shoppable Instagram gallery on a website using a social commerce platform like Tagbox Commerce. So, here is a step-by-step guide on how to create a shoppable Instagram gallery. Create a new account for free, or log into your existing Tagbox Commerce account. You will see the dashboard. Click on the Shoppable Galleries section in the sidebar, and all your existing galleries will appear. If you do not have an existing gallery, then you can create a new shoppable gallery. Give your gallery a name and enter a unique URL for it. To add feed to the shoppable gallery, choose Instagram Business as a source from the given options. Now a new pop-up will appear. Choose a feed type like hashtag, handle, mentions, and tagged. Let's choose hashtag as an example. Click on the Create Feed button and complete the authentication process securely from the source. Once you have added the feed successfully, you will now get the posts from your Instagram business account into your shoppable gallery. Now click on Add Products under the Product Catalog menu in sidebar. Now you can choose one of the two given options for uploading products. Import product list. You can upload CSV files to add multiple products at once. Do follow the format provided in the sample CSV file there. The other option is to add products manually one at a time. Fill in the necessary details and add a photo in the pop-up to upload a single product. Once you have successfully added your products, now move on to tagging the products. Now click on the Tag Products menu under the Product Catalog section. You will see all your posts with a Tag Products option under each post. Click on Tag Products to tag your product to the chosen post. You can add up to 4 products per post, and you can tag products to as many posts as you like in your shoppable gallery. Once you have made your Instagram feed shoppable by tagging products, now you can personalize and moderate your Instagram shoppable gallery with options like themes, customize, CTA button, moderate, etc. This will help you make your shoppable Instagram gallery look engaging and appealing. Once you complete this, then you can move to embedding your Instagram shoppable gallery on website. On the sidebar menu, click on the Publish button in the bottom left corner. A pop-up will appear. Choose your website CMS platform like HTML, Shopify, WordPress, etc. After choosing the website CMS, you can adjust the height and width of the shoppable Instagram gallery. Now click on the Get Code button. A unique code will appear. Copy the given code and paste it on the back end of your web page, or share the code using Tagbox Share option. Kudos! You have successfully created and published your shoppable gallery on the website.